These are 4 innovative ways you can use AI to supplement your income. It would only take a few hours of work per day to reach your monthly income goal of over $3,000. All you have to do is choose one of these concepts and follow through on it. Hit the like button if the thought of using AI to generate revenue excites you. Now let's dive into the fun stuff. First, YouTube automation. YouTube automation, specifically the creation of a faceless YouTube channel, is the subject of our first side business. This is awesome because it doesn't even require a camera. If faceless YouTube channels are unfamiliar, they all feature a voiceover narrator who tells stories on a variety of subjects. All you have to do is combine this narration with a slideshow of pictures or videos. It's pretty simple. You've probably come across them frequently. You need a voiceover narration. He produced an AI voice clone of himself in order to accomplish this. He fed the algorithm text that he narrated using 11 Labs. This is then used by 11 Labs to create AI voiceovers that precisely replicate his voice. The best part is that you can choose from a variety of preset voices or use your own voice if you prefer. You can get AI voiceovers right away by just uploading the script once your voice has been copied. Next, use CapCut, a free program to edit the video. The fundamentals of video editing can be learned in about an hour. Put your own unique style into your videos to make them stand out. Search for free stock footage that is relevant to your niche online by typing in your niche plus stock footage. You can find these pictures and videos there. Your videos will be better and receive more views if you put more work into them. It is essential to adopt the mindset of a top-notch video creator. Use the time AI saves you to improve your audience's viewing experience. You'll need a thumbnail after editing. Use Midjourney, a simple and quick tool that works well for my friend, for this. This AI system can help you grow into an extremely successful YouTuber. My friend creates each of his videos in less than 3 hours, and last month, just the YouTube ads brought in $4,000. Second, ever wanted to create cool anime or realistic images without fancy software or an expensive graphics card? Good news, there's a free and easy tool called cart.ai, which is text-to-image generator. To start, go to cart.ai in your web browser. Once there, log in, choose your interests like people, buildings, etc., and confirm you're over 18 due to some mature content. Now, let's explore the cool features. After finalizing your preferences, you'll be able to begin creating immediately. There are various ways to create your images. One method is by getting inspiration from the community's Explore page. Simply select an image or style that click on it, and then click Try. This action will replicate all the settings and prompts used to generate that particular image. You have the option to modify these settings, or just click Generate to produce an image in a similar style. The most common way to generate an image is by clicking on AI Painting. This takes you to a dashboard. Here you'll find a prompt bar and a chat window where you can tell the CArt bot what kind of image you want. For those who want more, there's an advanced function panel. This lets you change different parts of the image until it looks just right. When you click on the general settings and then click on Mode, select CArt 2.0. You can pick your model or LoRa. You have many available options to choose from, thanks to its integration with the extensive Civitize model library. Input an idea in the prompt bar, refine it with parameters, and click Generate. While it's free now, soon you'll need credits to generate images. After generating an image, choose from 4 variations, upscale if needed, and explore more tools on the left. Use image to image to reference or convert an image into text with intelligent analysis. Opt for partial painting or partial redraw to customize specific parts. Discover tools like expansion for filling in missing edges, upscaler for improving image quality. Third, animate your images or drawings. To begin, go to Google and search for animated drawings. Open the first link and click on Get Started. Here, you can upload any of your images or drawings. Now, I am going to upload an image from Google of an animated rebot. I will go to the images and select one. So we have a lot of options here to choose from. I need something good. Let's just scroll down to see more options. I think I like this one, but let me see if there are other options. Let's search for some other robots. Oops, I mistakenly wrote reboot instead of robot. Correcting and searching again, I am selecting this image of 3 robots, and then I will edit it to choose only one, cutting out the rest with a white background using the remove.be tool. It's a great tool for image editing. Click on Done after editing, download it, click on Upload Photo, select your downloaded photo, and then click on Next. Now, you have to agree to continue the animation editing. Click on Next for step 2, then on step 3, and again click on Next for step 4. Here you can mark the joints of the character as per your choice. Click on Next again, and you will see different options. Let's fix our character first. Go back to step 4. Adjust by dragging the points. I am adjusting the center of the head of my character. Click on Next and choose the animation you want. You can see the animation of my character. Looks cool, right? There are other options like dance, funny, jumping, and walking. Choose whatever you like for your character, and then you can share this animation and even earn from it. It's that easy. 4. Creating vinyl stickers. The next side hustle for AI is to make vinyl stickers for niche markets, primarily automobile decals. Others have talked about sticker businesses, but a more focused strategy, such as employing AI to create one-of-a-kind car decals, can be very profitable. If you search car decal on Etsy, you'll find a variety of listings, the most of which are text-based. However, you can create original and eye-catching images for car decals by creatively utilizing AI. Investigate specialized markets that spark people's interests, such as those who own electric cars, are supercar enthusiasts, or are drawn to particular animals or sports like weightlifting or running. Use Chatgpt to find niche ideas for your vehicle decal sticker company. If a general category like pet lovers doesn't appeal to you, think about diving deeper into a more narrowly focused category like Yorkie owners. Use the AI image creation platform Midjourney to create imaginative images. Simply type "imagine" and input a prompt like "cute Yorkie dog cartoon style." Midjourney will then generate AI images based on your prompt. You can regenerate them until you find the ideal one, or choose from the options provided. Once you've selected an image, use it to create distinctive and personalized car decals tailored to your chosen niche, whether it's Yorkie owners or another passionate community. A sizable audience may be drawn in if you decide to start your own social media accounts and produce viral content on websites like TikTok and Instagram Reels. To create a devoted following of Yorkie fans, create a cute Yorkie TikTok account and repost videos of various Yorkies, for example, if you're looking for Yorkie stickers. This group of people turns into the perfect customer base for your stickers. The secret is to leverage AI to produce outstanding designs and then use innovative marketing techniques to increase sales. This strategy can result in a very successful e-commerce store when used properly, so it's a topic worth talking about in this video. So, what are your thoughts of these AI side hustles? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more.